Acme is a leading system integrator, providing intelligent, customized, automated material handling and warehouse automation solutions that drive efficiency for manufacturers, retail, and logistics operators around the region. With over 44 years of experience in the Middle East and India, Acme designs, builds, and integrates a wide range of industrial automation equipment and associated software.
Over the last couple of years, we have developed a team of highly experienced intralogistics professionals who are able to design, develop, install, maintain highly complex and automated solutions for the intralogistics market. What we are trying to do at Acme is now develop solutions in-house with new technologies, taking into consideration Industry 4.0 and new warehouse technologies including robotics and AGV solutions. And we want to try to develop these systems within our facility using our engineers who have the experience, so that we are able to be innovative not only in this market but also in the global market.
Located in Business Bay, Dubai, the Acme headquarters undertakes all activities pertaining to the project sales cycle, concept, and design formulation and project planning.
Very important for us, none of our products is leaving the facility before we have tested it. Our experience is when you send something out in rush and you do it on site, you have a lot of problems you have to cover on site. We test our products before they go to a trailer or they go into a container. This is in our company a must, and for that we have this new and huge facility, and we have the right people over there to cover this all. We are certified and we do this certification in periods, so we also can provide the necessary paperwork, and customers can trust we are follow these processes and we have our procedures that nothing gets lost.
Acme's facility, located in Jebel Ali Free Zone in Dubai, operates as the center for engineering and project management.
We produce here parts and deliver it to Germany. We produce parts delivered to Turkey, or complete machines. And we have all here, CAD design, we have mechanical design, we have here electricians, PLC guys, IT guys, and so we support the customer in a full package, complete around.
The facility boasts 4,000 square meters of space that is utilized for the manufacture of components and customized machines.
We can show him in our warehouse a reality running system. We can show him a mock-up. We can show him a part of his system he will get from us, use his products. We can show him the factory acceptance test here. He has no negative surprise. He knows what he gets.
The facility is also utilized for the testing of machines and solutions prior to installation at the customer's facility, thus providing the customers with the added confidence about the solution. As the only company in the region to provide services from concept design, manufacture, installation, integration, to after-sales service, Acme promises to serve the region through its growing potential.